How to speed up a video on CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you speed up video on CapCut. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application CapCut. Alright, so after you open the application CapCut, you'll have to tap on the new project options. So from there you'll have to select your video whom you want to speed up, and after you select it you'll have to just tap on add. Alright, so after you add the video on CapCut, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your video at the bottom. Alright, so after you tap on that, you'll be able to see your options like speed. So it will appear at the bottom of your options. So from here, you'll have to go the option speed. And now from here, tap on normal. Okay, so from here you can set the duration or set the settings for your speed. So as you can go with the option 2x, 5x, 10x or 100x. So after you select one from here, you'll be able to speed off your video. So like you can see from here, you can speed off your video on CapCut. So this is the easiest and simplest method.